your cover and obey Edify DSG TV. Ebusia, himself who ye, Sasuna Misso who ye. Minima pound for day, ye sing kunya, ewo studio has your munina so, obia and who ye and they are not pay. Yaba bet na say, dear, my Jima kunya missimi. And she say, Nsemsem Dwumadze na YJG TV no and an appear day eba besu neneno ye be efichi enyeme mu bebre apensem fize ya me catch say ye program we enye politics na ye nemum de ekoso wo man ni mu a enye nkoyie no ene ani mpanifo si hu nkonwa ne ye bisa wo most adenti na bibisa ekoso enchiremu anase nyema be no mu di gugu akwemu hwe sesade na enya ye be ye nie na so eye so a kwan ye be fa so a ye be ma no ejina afebo ede aman midi ede nana amabo edu ana pe nya me nko na mesim kunya o studio me apamfo kukuda mankasa ene de ebe ye kikim and she say ye politics we are being fair as citizens even though they are politicians but we are talking as concerned citizens of this great nation. Now yes starting ya enim say NPP aban no eguso a omo epeke omo forms omo file ni ade a ye hwe currently now Greater Accra region omo afale omo guso omo wie krampo na Central region so omo so no omo so omo wie Western region the baby sampling for say ye de fise no a enem say regional minister ekoko fale wo mo de ekoko Greater Accra say aspirant 57 na omo afale omo forms and say omugusu a omo hwe nim say other regions ne so de omo de ebeba okọ botiano a omo afale omo de weja Sotium anya Sotium Ablekuma North Ablekuma Central Ablekuma East ene Okankwe North Kwankwe Central omo nyina afale omo nomination na je say bibia ye wo so Central Adenta Domi Kwabenya Madina ohono menyina omu afale omu forms and je say aye kama oko Central region so no so 49 aspirant and almost omu afale omu forms je say bibia eye kama enti no Western region there enra na regional minister ono koko fale ne die ne mo mamemfa newspaper ne ekoso anope ewo the newspapers ewo Ghana has said mami in reading him sharp and far more ye a ni akwa share enra regional minister ni forms na okọ file ye no nsem bia ode tutu media nanim efa nyuma pa wo mudie ene ho eniema o share the hawk now say 20 o share ex president John Dramani Mahama the picture ena ede enimu 2020 o say opare ado vows to deliver victory for Mahama. I'll say over 200 on the run from violence in Gomua, and then we'll share other side. So I'll say NPP primaries no scams quite Medina race. Zongo will regret if they vote against Akufo-Addo. Aziz Futa ono ena woka sa semu. Omampeni eguso woka say boot for boot. Enya de abekoso wo man yimu. Peaceful election ena oguso awodi hudwuma say yensa beka enti yakoba ne say yen MPs ni assemblyman for ne de san statement say be ba outa ye aboania ye be mpinifo ewo studio ha say enti me prepare me hu enka hu nsem bebedu wono ma mpinifo be yinsem bi eno e de amai wo hwe daily guide o say NDC NPP clash over scholarship and also ewo ho Ghana opens embassy in Norway. We have not built a paradise. We have not built a paradise. Ayena na do dankwa. Ena ono so woka e wo daily guide. Yen share the national. Yen share a different paper. Ono so say NDC running mate slot. Who gets the nod? And he will say come again. Makole. Patredini de. Tell me say ye be TB. Na so yana mpinifo. Abomodiana Omodi Achenanado has become an essential for threat to our democracy. Minority, NDC minority or more parliament, and our more kasa same way. So much the reason why omo eka sasemu anape edi acha say Jinapo slams Osla. Even Rebecca Akufo-Addo wouldn't insult as you did. It insult no de buy nena. Jinapo so eka say, "Hey, Osla wusu nyandia. Okay kendi even o mampeni Nigeria. First Lady of the Republic of Ghana crown won to me and can bisa and find Osha Daily Dispatch or say new voters register makes a lot of sense. Presidents are watching Musa say voters ID now. New voters we no register no modeba no it make sense papa. It make sense into omunja any propaganda na omode nanam ho ya ase nyuma pa wodi mu. Enti no Daily Dispatch one no say I will win my second term at Awutu Senior West George Anda ono so na work so obewini eda no do wa ya behwe nia ewom o say the 17 times NDC NPP had walked out of parliament since 1992 and no so no and momodin aye research kaka wo eno me ready empen for me man pen for me ka say dabi ne kra dabi ne kra me am ready na yin na yeti enia dia ewom. Daily Graphic and so say collapse savings and loans companies processes to pay customers begin. Enti no savings and loans banks are ahodo mo Ghana ha say no nya wotre. Ye ba be hwe ni nyina. EPP customers wo bia wo sike bia e wo kamu bia munya wotre. E be hwe ni nyina men's gold o wine gold o munya wotre be hwe na ye pe echichi ni nyina na asomdwe aba on my Ghana ni. Or say a Presec Conference Award on Speaker. Enti Presec for so mama a Speaker of Parliament award for fair back on. Daily Statement or say Alex mood under fire over dishonest comment about Eka Energy and AGM agreement. Your investments are safe in Ghana. President assures Norwegian companies say your investments no they are safe in Ghana. Court orders Kelvin Taylor to pay AC and comma 2.9 million Ghana cedis damages. And also the Daily Statesman. You share the last the Chronicle and also new voter register makes sense and the president can also work. Say munja NDC for munja ni propaganda nya de namwe. Yes, it makes sense. Backbone massacre victims buried at Osu could not be Ghanaians. And then Sona debate start today. And maybe something for time Bena a debate in a best starting. And you know, newspaper there and a PH no on the daily platforms and me the abem. Now me catch you say may read this something I did on the NDC walk away. And I said walk out of parliament and I said minority walk out of parliament last Thursday before the State of the Nation's address. And the main topic and I pay minimum penny for see hunkunya. Yes, but before then, let me read this to our ears. We say the walk out, a camera say NDC for Mundina Sonto Moyesa. But NPP for so elward almost per se or moka. Or say NDC 17 times NDC NPP walked out of parliament in Fourth Republic. The minority in parliament has become under heavy criticisms for walking out of parliament last Thursday when the president was scheduled to give his fourth State of the Nation's address. Many individuals and organizations have condemned the act, with some asking the minority to apologize. Since the inception of the Fourth Republic in 1992, there has been a total of 17 instances where the National Democratic Congress and the New Patriotic Party have boycotted proceedings in the House whilst in the minority. To Ghana where Bamu videos be brea Tama NDC for Echo and NPP for no so Echo. Now me be mau yes any data NDC for NPP for so Now August 22nd 2003 the minority leader Alban Bagbin led his side to boycott the debate on the National Health Insurance Scheme NHIS bill, stating that there were fundamental flaws in the bill. The NDC further accused the then Kufuor-led administration of deceiving Ghanaians. The party said the government was being pressured by the International Monetary Fund, the IMF, to fulfill the agreement if had reached with the fund to include a 5% increase in the VAT in the 2003 budget, hence the haste. February 23rd, 2005, the minority in Parliament staged a walkout in protest of the motion to pass the custom and excise petroleum taxes and petroleum related levies. The bill that was sought to impose taxes on the petroleum product was described by the minority as an illegality because it would have a retroactive effect when passed. The minority argued that government was attempting to regularize the illegal connection of the petroleum tax since the hike in the prices of the petroleum products on February 18th that year. On February 9th, 2006, the minority in Parliament served notice of its decision to boycott parliamentary businesses till further notice. This was in protest of what it has described as the wanton and flagrant disrespect for minority rights by the majority. And you know, and these are some of the years NPP for so ADC for so but in all no and I pay share the workout of the minority before the SONA presentation. Also a very good notice to young civilians, you know, as a election year, you know, and also youth are more interest in politics, you know. The penny-for aye watching a day and a youth in the better so one year, so ye at the Suebe, the woman say yefa. Also, say NPP for company or Maya into NDC for as I said, Musumuye biana. And I say almost stands on Mujina so Mudi Binu, and any day, and an apeminim penny for ye see in Kunya, and one anno pay penny for me or more, ever betina, and as ye see in Kunya, ye babe in some way more pensemuno. A me war a honorable Berry Maba or Parry. Berry Maba or Parry. So, Johnny nice of bar. Berry Maba. It's a bear man a one number. And to Johnny Sanapi or no, yeah, regional communication. He's part of the regional communication team. He's a member of the Western Regional Communication Team for the NPP party or Western Region, Hasi. And yeah, Honorable Philip Kwesi. Fia constituency branch secretary and also by NDC mo say ye record the enchotro and sema what NDC party in Western Region has say na odi mo akotene pa nini na wo chocho ma keka bom nti NPP no better na ka say hey and so e dey ababe nti mpenifo anape ma wakwa ba e dey ba IDG TV ejoso pacho anape bia boko dey na me ama enkwan dey na je say ori ache ne sa aka dey ebe dey abo man Ghana na chichire enu ne hia no enu ne tinse na o maka no dey aka ye se ye de boa ye hu no enu ena ehia ebenfo anape masa mama kwa ba biem me kan say ye hwe say and minority workout no ne kwan so anu no na so before then no enu ada ena the Western Regional Minister one of Kobe or trader con or file the nomination.
I think it was on Friday.
It was on Friday. Yes. Thanks for the correction. And I'll file it. You know, yeah, or the same ready to 2 jar. Effort in Puntunjuma, one more promise Ghana for especially Western region. So, Waba, Ebeye, regional minister now, what they ever be good wakwim. And I feel ye empty so near my way. And as you see, I saw by regional minister and near my why you were born, you might be to say, or call a new takradi quina on my year. Or say almost also another project to be a honum. Just a project to be now over so. And you know, a year last week Friday or file near forms, you know, and I didn't send me to 2 judges. Say, a idea a Juma power castle be dead among Western region for no, or Gusua woody. Say a year no crest and no creno. Mpese ye nhwe video no na yanka se ye ntie mfama ye ho ensem opani no edu to de wi ampanifo de omuso waka fa won no mbeka.
I believe that all the promises I promised them, I'm delivering on the promises. And 2, in opposition, I didn't complain about quitting. I didn't complain about quitting. And I didn't complain or give excuses for not doing some things. In fact, there was a time that I was doing so well that an NDC organizer in the constituency told me that they will never allow me to develop any high-rise projects. And that is exactly what they try to do. So now that we've gotten an opportunity to be in power, we are going to do the projects that will raise the name of the party higher. And then 2, make very, very, very sure that we deliver for our delegates to also know that their party has come and they are getting the benefit of it. One of the benefits is about jobs. And they are getting jobs. If it's about loans, we are getting them the loans. And then we are also respecting them. That they are also human beings who have to be respected, no matter how high or low you are. And that's what I've been able to do. And I want to assure everybody, like I've done all the time, if it's even in my mouth, I'll take it and give it to them to make them survive. It's very important. As a leader, even me, every day when I'm sharing money, I always share the younger ones first before it comes to those. So sometimes the big boys will start crying. I say, yes, you have to give to the children first before you give to the elderly. And I'll continue doing that for my delegates to let them know that it's not about lies. It's not about people who have benefited from me and walking around and behaving as if they know better than them. The delegates know who I am, and they know who has always gotten something from my end to help you move forward. Yes. So, you know all that has happened in Takoradi. I mean, for the past 10 years, we've done free vacation classes every year for the past 10 years. I initiated and brought the university in Takoradi, Ghana Technology University. That's the first public university in Takoradi. And I think your man attended the school there. Okay? 2, if you go to New Takoradi, up there, it used to be red sand. Now we've changed it. If you go to New Takoradi Road, we've done it. If you come to Amanfo, we've done it. If you come to the library, we've done it. If you go to Kokonto Bola, we are building the first Islamic secondary school in this metropolis. Okay? So, we are consistently improving the lives of our own people. That is basic. If you go to New Takoradi, I've started a project we call the Regeneration Project. You see, we cannot continue to be moving to new sites when the old sites are going down. We need to regenerate the place. So we are making sure that lung diseases don't occur. So we are either tiring the place or paving the place or concretizing the place based on the levels that we are seeing in those areas. And we've continued to give more scholarship to our young ones so that they can go to school and come and help with our development. So it's very, very clear. It is very, very, very clear that we need to help our people to grow. You know, when I was in the assembly, we did our first anniversary, at the end of the anniversary. And one thing that I said was that we need to change the fortunes around in our time. That is why ever since I became manager, every time I'm running. Because I believe that we are far behind, we need to catch up and make sure that we can go beyond Accra. Because we are the capital of the region that contributes the highest to national GDP. So we should be able to reorganize and do things differently. That is why we are doing the Ghana Gold Expo here. So that this place can be the next financial hub to finance investment in the Western region. I disagree because consistently, one of the biggest things that I spend my money on is on public infrastructure. That's one of the biggest things I spend my personal money on. Because this is an MPP stronghold. It's my responsibility to make sure that the MPP people appreciate that their government, their people are in government. That's what we've been doing. And I would have consistently done so for that purpose. But if somebody say because I was the regional minister, the question you should ask yourself that why didn't they put the same question when I was in opposition? Why? Why were they running away when we were in opposition? When they were making money and they were not investing the money in the party? How come that even when we came to power, they couldn't say that they've made so much money, so they'll build us a very beautiful party office? They kept their money. It's only when it benefits them that they put in the money. If the thing is not for them, they don't put an investment in our party. Our party people, they are more wiser than their aunties. We want people to put in the money even when we are in opposition. We want them to spend time with our party even when we are in opposition. We want them to attend Youth for Change programs even when we are in opposition and contribute and work for the party. Don't run away and wait for an election year and then they come and tell us that somebody is not for regional minister. I believe that if they had worked harder in opposition, maybe they would have also gotten something higher. So this alone shows that they are only playing with our mind to deceive the delegates. But our delegates are not foolish.
How much in terms of percentage are you expecting from the delegates?
When I grade myself immediately, you tell me that I'm not being humble. So I won't give you an answer.
Thank you.
Send a no honorable regional minister for Western region. Honorable Chidakumis, or no Nayete Ninkano, Entine, or no. Send ya Meka Shasi and you ma pa or buy a woody namne papaso a year Nana Danko Kufado, President of the Republic of Ghana, and Namno Sua woody no, and no who Nsem and our cano. Send young Kofoka, say, ni send no Yandia wojitum, and Juma party say, youth ni benye Juma ye, and Kosun Juma, and then the Oguso woye, region, emo. And no, Aurora Opari. And Ora Kwesi. Say now regional minister waka. I find you my pa would you. So far no me started Berima Baoso. Western region the ben be start forms in here and for among those that they're supposed to pick up forms aspirants no. The ben a year share news on start here because I come here say ya kitchen.
Medansa papa ne akwenya odi aman say ye medwendwen o man Ghana ho mo bo adwuma papa na masre adofo anso say umeti mo afidie no na mo so mo bom ho modern pa ideas GH TV ko Facebook streaming live mo ya de pa mabedru idea ma minchia the honorable member of parliament for Efia constituency honorable Joseph Kujo adwumawura obon homodi papa nyankopon ye de insure no we be say about NPP parliamentary primaries. The primaries na ye no ye divided into two.
Okay.
First one ye orphan constituencies. Ye can orphan constituencies in politics are ye constituency a party no eni mrahye bidwa for e den e wo ho no.
Okay.
Ti ano no ye dikan aye no dada. Nti wo hwe constituency bi ti say Budi yeni MP wo ho ya dada o hwe constituency bi se dwamoso yeni constituency wo ho ya dada nti dia make nyina be si se constituencies are yeni MPP member of parliament no yedi kan aye. The second phase MPs with constituencies with NPP MPs eno na yeguso aye den ye ni sisi an si ba sisi am no ka say die ye bie nominations sisi am no ka say ye close nominations.
Okay.
So I think the last day of submission na the regional minister eko submit the nominations you know. The day I the state of the nation president eko ma the state of the nation address Thursday, yes, and the final day of submission of forms. And sisi aye close no nti obi bi o interest bia say obeso onko fa forms no sambre na pa ho. Sisi no bia forms wo fa no it is forms no so two all cover a different and I was submitting so a different. Ubi betimi akofa forms but ebe we say ebe we no ontimi file because all cover you ska utua and all ko pick forms na you ska betua and you yes all ko pick forms na you ska ubetua na ewie all ko submit forms na sika ya hyehyɛ say utua about on the primaries no yes ni na dey aka ho now they are then or the conji o ko file na sika no mu eden mu odu kakra enje o ko peke de na obi abetima pikibi ene akwala akra say bi ni kakra bi ni obi abetima pikibi but o ko file na ebe kire say we be man na say we den o yo ba aha o yo ba pa enti sisi asa we ni nyina ye wie and I think say o ko takra de constituency see ya nipa 4 candidates in them say ye nya omo contest including the regional minister.
Okay.
Oba Efia constituency so Martin so say apart from honorable Joseph Kujo there is one candidate on also or by Efia constituency I think we have 2 candidates. Oko Escado Ketena someone picked forms so Oba contest honorable Jogati by the end of closing of nomination, you know, nipa crowd intimi aye den anko file forms. I don't know. I know the I don't know best known to the person on one cause I call fire went in my submit. I know I can't tell. Obi any reasons I wait me akasa on kwenti muhia na mo bisa sa nipa kwenti oko Escado Keten constituency the Minister of Railway Development Honorable Jogati Nkwane den a contest oko Hunter West constituency I know so nipa mienu na ekopeke forms including the sitting MP Honorable lawyer Honorable Kujokum and the former DC Anta West and the former DC Honorable Kwesi Baini and a contest evaluate jura I think so we two evaluate jura two takwa inswaye
evaluate jura Honorable Catherine West
yes okay osai jinabi okọ takwa inswaye mhu Honorable George Mekuduka press statement secretary the constituency secretary the babontin or patch say as at the time of closing of nomination na nipa ba kope who is Honorable Duka and are submitting forms.
But nipa ba kope na wejina
for now per the you can say but me tete say say candidate being so file but I think we filing or regional office also.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so honor is not clear, but for now that is what we are here. And I think Pristia Univali so I'm saying nipa ba kona contested honor. So I am successful. Western region per se, you know, bibia ko year yanti wetin wa coming to kwabia or babia. But ok fano nationwide and
other regions
wetin wa coming kakra bi e den e ba
enya kakra bi o enya kakra bi video se ba ye
Matthias we a politician now the politics you should be expecting these kind of things because
to the extent say you be wa ye bono
I don't know you the extreme I don't know the extreme obi di mra be hye nsem ade akoye ade an say so there or ye me equalize issues e wa say but who you be a follow politics pa o share NDC primaries o share MPP primaries this kind of ntawantawa ni ade na tie then because I'm not justifying whatever happened in other constituencies but politics are ye no ye nyini ye mu ye guso a ye nyini kakra
at this stage and some of the aspirants no nyini wo mu ye
and I will not say that ebinimu nyini wo mu ye we started 92 we share US for example and UK for example they started democracy for about 100 years now.
Oh, okay.
So we are just 20 something years. So I'm not justifying whatever bad deeds will be here then. But some people think say politics is about say minimum IT studio as you know. Menene ya say me papa na soon. And as on so name ya say papa ma soon. Some people
but sometimes now it's not about the two political parties.
But even within the political because we have internal contests and even a few mukrapo no ahindie krapo yenfa no ahindie ewo yen communities ni ade yen hwe ntokwa eta senior
but when there is something a year country na year
and I make sure say this kind of things you know ebe dey say ye betimi ayi afro because nipa na ba ho no unnim botae hye na ntrim wo de ba memeti has see sanka unnim botae bi hye ntimi se mabe ya e bia na mba be ye tutura se bi ba to ti wo unnim ba se unnim anka e bia we put stop to ade ameba be ye me ba be ye no nti ye be sere ne afasa akwenye so e dey a party mba say ye bia akwenya to wo say ye ba be ye elections which is internal elections and no nkyere say unni obi nya adwena kokontokwa yen call elections way with asundwe say na be ya whoever emerges the winner at any constituencies no yen nyina ye betimi aka yen ho abom akọ marketing nipa kro because okọ kanza money bi fa nipa ehu na at the end of the day nipa na wini ya how are you going to market the person for the constituency or where they mekoto aba no nti yen hye nyema bi nso na yen koye nyema bi a ye be keka nsam e dey afafa aspirant or mo contest na be wie kire no efe o pia bonchen krapo akoton no krapo na akoye den nti I think say we use some few constituencies which endorse over 275 constituencies ye one or man Ghana I think then more honor and I think one or two constituencies basa ye kakra ye de basa ye kakra ye de e ba ho no mo a untimi nkan say in a whole you can the nationwide no ankoyi we be 5 be out of 275 constituencies yes I we ni nti akoyi
okay that's it mamemba honorable Philip kwesi ho no NDC for mu de mawie mu de mawie mu de mu so mu de ni mu no ene ma ko sin
my father ma ko yedu na mo so ma me ho ina eduma pa na I guess TV warrior what the Western region ti dem am de care no dey so nkran na the same time no yama the project yen so yen afem de na ye consult them e kwa greater Accra Ashanti region precisely why wonder na ansa na makasa no me chia executive John Dramani Mahama ejuma pa na brasa ode bobo Ghana mfi anana wa beson ko the minti oma Ghana furusun de onsa no befa nego no nto e ejuma pa yedo na abeni obe de wa dada hon MPP for nampo bebre what friend
me bacho program no tell me ka say yeah policy but we say let's try to
na masanso me chia honorable Michael Otu owo efia constituency seminole kese ko gina MP
my friend is on kasa me hu to kwa na na kasa
bacho yo mati ejuma pore won bra won to abama no ma onkoye MP da politics a wato abonko for kwana wa hwema we twado da no ne nkofo abon school na bebre aminim school for wato ban or the mama what call yi won bra incumbent MP no kura ne bi oti ofi e wo krampo school na la chance no ona my create no ko bon mo ya bana ma meti ne na
tene ke kan ko mani mu de nka we ye na we no
meka de onkoye I'm talking about nipa na on the MP da now Brazil na ho fama or the boa not there when he goes there he do more than what you are expecting from see only a moye na yaba ma we sisi wo you know and this in yewie the dad no more thing that dey no one of my close to obiala one contesting when this him or na nkotin na okwai nti no ma yehu posters wo krom bebre there obey primaries and obey election tin campaign na dey there be people friend na the bush na na and this one na lokwa na the microphone baby me so ano na okwai na na nkotin nti o ma ya election me pemfu na wo share no bibi kakra dey dey yefa bibi acclamation na wode ni kire dey yenipa ye den die ni nim me yadoma 2020 ni dan ne mo nam dey yeba honorable Kobe na asam na no rekano da I mean
mpacho me ba before you be discussing no nti ye nhwe sa ya chuachu na ye ta koso during the filing of the forms in any ade no how best can we try to solve those issues and I say education ben you guys you think say e betumi e aboa na sa ne manema no ye ntumi se na honorable ka ye ntumi enyi free one no but ye betumi like ye reduce you because you know sometimes you na scary because some mum penifo no mun ko pick form na mun file ni ade kwa na mu ye say na ye so ye dey ye so na ye di mochi ye support mu no ebe na ye say say kan ni to
we dey mean travel no we hu say me ba just 30 seconds we hu say sa nyima we to trust seminar kakra ye koso no hu say aspirant in the say adwumadi no won say titarfo na omudi ekire no na ya omuta ye sa de let's draw the
education ben na ye prepare the ama wo send because it is getting out of hand. We can't expect this all the time. As a nation, as unique nation, as great nation like this, we can't be expecting some of these acts all the time.
Say regional chairman of a political party be na so tumgbe na no ka kire nko o ka no kire wi ade de won a wo ye incumbent MPs and sitting MPs no o mo kon mo be an contest one da ma no baba na de bia say wo ye hihye ni eti de wo ko file na bia woni aspirant ni communicate de week ni no ye Monday in da to Friday will be no ye 5 days wo de be close filing of nomination na no che de why na a candidate on an order there one Monday no Tuesday I didn't know that work on what class not they went the same day the same time into work on a equity ball na the tribunal want to be kita you do akasa get what the ball you fun on in me no kita one no between the mobility will be collapse I bent a cobra no tell them every day no did you have one collapse no what the ban kasapa and then them no go do now if you talk to day another was your kana man me the me best be OCC wadi but another issue I mean one me do me sitting MP or minister or kade obi contest in Boba disqualifying
who can honorable or trade that come in some
no I don't want to mention that person's name but also Nipol contest in Angasa no vetting or disqualifying oh very scary honorable Joseph could you not can
also be disqualified
or disqualifying
Does he have that power to disqualify?
He doesn't have that power. So how comes on over Castle over converting and disqualify?
Hold on.
Make his statement away.
Then I think a week today.
Oh no, this is not. I'm a special assistant to the Honorable Minister of Deputy Minister of Energy, who doubles as the Member of Parliament for Efia Conference, Honorable Joseph Kudasama. Okay.
Yeah.
He did not make such comments.
Such comments. Okay. Mati, manano, machumano madasa.
Alright.
So and saying that you made the team penifo no o say tell me ka say penifo bi say no na ye hia wo mu wo ka asem no asem na nya sa netia no pepe we e bi anim we fum so bi anim sana assassination ye ya e be boy pacho
but na me expect honorable Kobioche da ko den ko be ka the obey regional minister the substantive minister the 1 year ni because he was a deputy yeah na me no be bi about the obey no ama constituencies na them $1 million per year no another bempo me year no we ya another 121 factory no districts are one region no we ya e won no
be I think last year if I'm correct with the data last year you call wasa menfi there is this sugar factory bia omoye ohonu any regional minister na call ye ekoko inspect ni ade nyina I'm sure maybe asking when I'll fetch for the video and then
was it on the stage of completion or what?
No. Like on the picture said send a factory no be seen any day. So I think say one factory no one factory. Him say.
But
I can say
but we are also in the district. How municipal? ECMA.
Municipal.
Yeah. So what? We see can there you know ah. They want to be one of can want some. Yes, you are there. As regional minister and the MP for Efia constituency no. So why did na be you know ah. Nti anu na wo do me ka e go ke dey ejuma papa why e ono je so ke ejuma papa why no nu mpo dey all contesting ana e won so wan kan pocho o se ejuma papa why e no o ye nu dey all contesting because e be clear 2012 na honorable Joseph Kujo Obe no ona honorable Jobe Dansa na o ye incumbent as at that time but that time no ye Efia Kwesimintin constituency in them 2012 no e be better o be che constituency actually yeah moye na honorable Bidansa no okafa forms them American about one file but
that's true
good them no ma your papa honorable Joseph Kudwa ma me nya ye fiafia okom na ya me had 2016 so ko bem so the same thing be an contested interfere obi yi ni mo contest no be the person also what the candidate be no contest no there if no contest go am de jemo ni min another on who there also no bompo them panel kede them another them nti say ma me baby me say free na America na one match man answer because e bia no abracatical me evidence na besis ya nti na match man with that but obi awo angle of the information
so better still no say mumu na muye mpenifo na mudeda political parties na communication team and I think say eya mu from for no party members no ni we ni ade na mo educate wo mo say juma na mo die no e ya asumdwe na de ne de ye hwe se be ba o man Ghana mu enti no edu se bia o nipa bi ko file for anaso ko pick the forms ni ade na mu susu se mu be kokun afo ho ni ade but de de and for good results and fan ba
I think this is where we should be addressing the issue and ubisa mebra no but as a ubisa ni say kwan be so na ye be fa so because you see the way I know kasa na quiet say oba NDC mu dia this to trust and miss anyama dey be
no I didn't
I was say ABC but senior na we dey no aye so you know and I know person won kire say
we have no instrument in measuring the nature of crime. Crime is a crime.
Yeah, that's one.
Yeah, make what you say. And you know, me this year no, it has come clear. Say both political parties, you're going to primaries, internal elections, and say these were when you went in at the end of course. So I think the education should be more on a quite ben so na year 5 addresses we are because internally pony. Now you the national elections are the general elections are the make us me key point to be say. O share ntokwa na ya dey see na who say the main aspirants na go into elections in ekon but etitai for what they call the general elections a year conso unko hu say John Dramani Mahama and his excellency na now Dan Kwaku Fado kontopa but we he na echitai for na ye den ye bi echira ye mu ne ye we enti ye ntiase say ye te hase a ye kasa no political ideas in mu no mene ne nya adwene because ono dwen say no ye be ye me so me dwen say ye fa no different way and e be ye so when it comes to ideological wise na ye adwene ye de no like enko benkrum but when it comes to developing the nation ye nyina engine tum say on man ye die nti ye nyina ye de ye pe enti say wo person candidate A na ye the member of parliament for a particular constituency na me so me feel say candidate B na say on ye can say candidate ma ye tell me what your candidate can do, and then I also tell what my candidate can also do. And from political device in both NDC and NPP, we have program where no say we do or die where we near assembly banner idea because I know say you say be nomination say. The NDC almost say the Oma Yina, almost be any for NPP, and say the Yina, Chemi, for this in Tokwa, can't see me. It is going to generate again. And you know, Yampe, quite ever faster to resolve these issues than say. So
the quite no say. Munshana muni munkrofo in kasa.
And then we have a party penny for
money or mon
party paying for 8 years. I think there should be some kind of capacity building for the youth in the party. You better not we are said there.
Hold on. But can you baby? I'm not there. I want to wear a bonnet and Yakano. One of them way. Sabi bia no beda so refi sabi ni nature na the niku nature and other kusku na okojuma na work the party lo to aba and sorry why program why me party for into me question na makoye basabasa na some bi waba here me kan sam chon 2016 year to aba 7 December na yemu binu na why the agents were here or police station bi will be 3 police stations no here one area na what to aba na here one eja when you the banana and so on a baby and I the born. Now, if you know, could you baby or entrance be whatever school or what to abano. No, what by no afro. Line no trio. Say, could you line him? And I said, Oduda. A beautiful wash away no was and I want to about there start afresh. It's my mutual line where you know, 001 and actually 101 actually a Methodist primary A in Tibiane, them line in a quadrant actually street. Okay, to you, say, Aqua, Tuma. Candidate no mayo no academic da kan but nipa na ka chi no ni party a ebeku no ofim nti oya dam no yemu bi no yetete me ekọ enen kaka say pe no tum kwa we na yetene eba ye ke bia wantase so no positive na ate but why too busy there over be in action no first what team obo no merciless obi ni papa ni last born kwa we university.
When did this happen?
2016 17 na how just on abuse go club pay or be assembly but up didn't know them but so be me kwen me kaka say amicably there I was talking to my daddy the daddy ma all called on boa me hu mari ani na mate nti je ni pon all called ni party obi na obi fini fie onim de okoto aba me candidate A or B no do police station no share obi a wa bota eja na do kitesika no influence mo akọ bibia ni pa kuno jo no pe. No, it doesn't make sense. Into the man,
so the act of sharing money at police stations, and also you say, and also a writer, I say, who pay votes and so you go, you share money, you share food and all that. Is it right?
Yeah, the last assembly election, you're 17.
This will be my last question. I feel by your main way, so.
You're no, now you did money. It's a book pro and a if you know to baby wage and all that won't back him. Sika watching yes, Sikaba, I been one down on that betray. Into being into there were some people out before they were winning power or question me weekend or one or bro madam and I don't know. No, said or dog to Aba or the man. The minty, the man the problem power Ghana had it. There's a book for me there, not today. And big window do not age one. I'll tell you, feeling so corner into me influencer with your 20 Ghana or 10 Ghana there. Cut to Aba from one bribe here. Because ideologically, on here, them up there or the common popcorn. But on them there, Nippon Ankasa, I want you to go do one on your baby cacano. Yenimobi, ye ni pa me as mommy wole ni mo ekwa no me yalo oni fie me le bele nto me ndi ana pie ni be wa be me fa ya no ke score do man no cha na kon mo
o man no aye di 1999 na ye hwe se sane manem is it possible say betumi abort betumi trash that way in every one of them
monetization in our elections
isn't it possible
it will be difficult looking at the nature of in most especially Africa one here kakra and sometimes you see yanti abato ase yan ye to abadodo na metimi aka say dodo na anti abato ase you can get someone to tell you say me na me nkosa line and to abamo bi papa
on page man
as a compared
lack education in
so I think this is a case for the national NCCA Commission on Civic Education to have more education into the right of even voting because when you go to some countries it is a responsibility for every citizen to vote one to abakra sometimes it's some kind of opportunities I will be in the country and yes abato ye asudie maximum for say as I say your constitutional rights when you're 18 years and above with sound mind you have the right to vote because obi bet man catch you say me na me ko to aba mo obi ni papa me ko pay adwuma mo obi ni papa and in this case now waka sa asem no say when pay bibi kakra amasa ni papa because he thinks on no kwa komo adwuma ye and he say wa amasa ni papa ni bibi kakra na say ni papa no go on to and mind you if you don't pay madam will be catch you say pay others are paying. If you don't pay, someone is paying, and that paying,
even you are paying, somebody is paying more.
Yes, yes. Even once we are paying, someone is paying more, as my brother just said. So, Uber is maybe some meanwhile, someone is paying, and that payment can influence someone's voting decisions.
It does.
What you say,
we'll make sure say Benya NCC form.
Yes, we should.
So that because this thing is not helping us as a country.
The last time a week before the district assembly elections, last year,
yeah.
NCC you be mobile FA community ni mo bopata or to drinks in it to chairman baba. You need to you can tell you do 20.
Yeah.
You do 20. You be to what I don't know the concert no way. It's not that John and don't show asset management won't check out say Yami one thing Bokunomina. That's a baby will come how many car. Then that or then you put them a community.
Yes, and you see there's no monthly you can't say stipends and as a monthly salary yeah the man but you see the kind of stress and even when you go to
there are communities somewhere let's say public toilet do you know what
but everyone is saying even in our schools coming from the universities and SRC elections.
It does happen.
You have to pay. We have politicians and influencers. No. What I'm saying is students demand money from the aspirants before they go and vote for you.
Even if was anyone else has self-prefership,
sometimes you need to induce some people with in our last elections.
Even if not in terms of money,
you have to do a Aponchi party, a Wache party.
This is John Demelo, University of Ghana campaign. I don't
know how about the years or the camera now.
Come on. It's conversation I had say me catch on. You were trying to say your politics when some cost one mind when I say you shall come as him. And no, and you shall come as him. And nothing and I pay penny for about studio. I say, you sink on your yaka. Then you now call and say, Ghana, ye muyinti. And I'm penny for your mother or Joe Munamino or make and so on. And to the year call ye main a yinti and I pay a sinkunya. I had the walkout of the minority last Thursday. State of the Nation's address before a president. Yehini, what Ghana has say, Baba Bekasa, Nebi Masorico. Someone in the yard, someone in the yard, reason punch of Modisorico and any day. Earlier on, I read a research editor who said, NDC NPP no, it's our walk away issue. I idea quite say boot for boot. NPP for NDC for me. And then this is why, but and then after the discussion, we will know say, you like you be put a stop to it. send ya be ye chire for na se bia metie na se pese me so me politics o chena na me hu se penifo ne jai sa de ntime ba me so me find me so me famba eno hu na se ya ba enti isi ano me starting free Honorable Philip, so Debbie, what's the next starting?
Now from the minority side, you should tell us the basis and the reason why you walk out of parliament. Because you were pointing fingers on me.
What's the next starting? Oh, crazy.
Madam.
Dear Pan, buy Auntie no, President. I think it was before President even came in.
No, they walked out when President came in. President, you were then we no walk out.
National.
Yes, as President is already.
And people say, Papa, away, Papa. What is all this? Then they buy in some way, sir. What was your reasons?
Okay, but that's it. That mama koyem beche maju for the madam. What's it? Obi actually be fee no. I don't know the ones some the bay. It once mentioned that bay fee keko. And I should not know the chief. Just that everyone I know that no so we be didi. Okay. I'm there last year. I think 30th or 31st of January, near your by election or I was West Wago. By election, I ain't away. Then by 10 o'clock, another this time, it's now you can say. Now, why a Rambo style or why a war from Giddy, not there. Between them, baby, none down, invisible forces here, watching on national security in Telly, all to know what you did, my baby, to know, ma, and this in people no call emergency meeting be no call take a decision there. One polling agent don't want 100 or more police stations or war. I was West Wagon on. One could retrieve and win and call. So for their the safety. Until Mama in the John DeMello candidate, no, now yet the major man of Fan or what do you fear? Saying you don't want to allow. Okay, saying him, I was say, my men are incumbent in a year. I 7,000 said my the other in a year 12,000. And this in a year 5,000 said. At the end of the day now, or you lose my name. Now, Ben Devon, I said, addition away, Bruha or Ghana. The by election Kakena. Now, one yellow baby out there, the elite constituency among the 275 constituency, people are on them, they are well educated, they have traveled far from across the globe. When we're civilized, you know what it's war. Not the main component and there, one a Kumbasa Bessie, we see now I are into the Ghana focus every brema. Yemen paying ko pray a breachima will be sent also isolated incidents. But for them no can my jama yemu bi no ye ko hwe na ne before patch the them no ka and then chen na na kuya be no hu do assembly kon Ghana no say obesity commission of inquiry professor another in the lawyer Dr. M. Short obedano it was on camera live to them yeah be inte bi should be no friend e morba wo friend chairperson for electoral commission na morba na yirba obi abaka we no papa ne dey recommendation the come president the ada wo ko hwem no indictment bi abade then a champion no ye national security minister no or presidency no ano na ko se the me no ni chemo be chemo wo no investigation wo ye na the me young guy na also your phone ejuma wo circle now or the 3 weeks ko training na one for no national security now or VVIP work Kotako terminal 3 wana oje about 90 million a month no the minimum panel na one to one asia inti na ebiani ne dede what that come pay na lango so fini dom na ni pem na wa set the commission na what the findings na come na be me obe implement no findings na wo no eti anti oje yeti echi ben na a champion say you know report down so ben kwampo bogus madam you Ghana hade na fertilizer 600,000 while or what $12 million what the petition that come a president or your minority president in Tuana Monibia you Ghana hade na ameswale.
So are this all part of the reason why you guys work
of course they petition the president, he didn't respond to them. It is if the president is not going to respect minority now, they won't respect him or Edward Bakazan, they won't even listen. So it's like this for that. If you listen to Arne Dusu, press conference now immediately after President Uwe State of Nation address and a presentation now. These were some of the things that were coming. Naturally, sitting now, the was sorry no I try to beat that bodo. Mr. President, why are you in a hurry for voter new voter register? When are you going to arrest some of the I was Ameswale, those who are culpable. No, how are you going to and when are you going to arrest them? But don't forget today, say when we back there. President or investigation body ni bi our investigation one for that one attorney general no madam Gloria Akufo also there na lepon get dem put them date no in this one by me metina mpo into market it was somewhere 16th na January na the massive no see wokun abentia kakaba olubonebra aweje na number o onye bi monhwe won sia
Major Maxwell Mahama
no America Ameswale
okay Ameswale
no ba asem there ono ko investigate kwesi antechi mo kada no do betu wa manage team bibi ma o de nu gwa cerebral ma ne dwuma do bono no nti no chede mpinfo abono po de sana o obi a oni na de mini pay ono abuke ni Japan content TV se kede boy ni ani no what even wo ye ne kase no obi ala nhwe bi na ohun bibi ala won bo no prepare obe studio wo da won bo no prepare na koba obetia na jama wan ye broke kema ewu kebe ma inde ye try ye kase abani 200 more bia it this and more on any other say campaign that's a minority now one of because opposition by alternative government it is someone else work actually abandon and the campaign there the mighty no work order yent one can take attention na so bonasam na ke jones ka kamo da dey ni jeba na one say one bonjo da onye no kwar no mama ye mfide obi a sorry walk away another walk out no or better than obi a one bumper for swearing in 1992 year 2 about Ghana had Professor Dubois in the late Albert Dubois in Rollins President Rollins and Wujine the year 1992 what two have been we know Lucy no what say we it's not many people know we know parliament in the 7th January 1993 the minority wahade ye 2013 was Nsemsem Dwumadze Mahama in. She what's the one corner? Dwumadze we abenim. Me wana was what asem no look court to. No go president Kofo ni but the woman president Kofo call inauguration as say. Umbe former president statesman or mandatory there or task no go say na ya ho de no one dey.
As a joint serving of the ex-president.
John Dwumadze Mahama. No so one more anko. No go go a circle. We be because of breast sport war no papa na we been almost half naked now in some be benin can when you ano it is I am na o say na why ma wo
say say person say swearing in po na mo ankoi now we state of the nations address of
them not say and I mean I don't blame MPP for the matter na why no because 1992 I just don't know where reform constitution and why no they were not part into why there was the apostles of democracy and and we didn't no it is a minority who work it out or better than 1.11 no a boycott cry and it has happened for my memory serves me the second time.
So let me ask this, is it because we are a democratic country, let me put it that a nation and I say this democracy so like I say obiaba benya the freedom to sit in parliament or to walk out in parliament during important meetings like the SONA, because what I know is SONA no state of the nations address, let me put it that way, and no one major thing as a country, nobody should exempt him or herself like parties, you don't have to exempt yourself.
Does the constitution stipulate that? I'm not aware.
No, I'm asking, sir, is it because we are a democratic country? Anything I'm yes, because a state of the nation address is supposed to be presented by the president, which are whether NDC, NPP, CPP, whatever, no, or a penny. So, on him be boja. Na say, oh, now we team we free one. What are you trying to say? So, on him be boja, on him so on ya company. We have to make sure you know. Now, it shouldn't be said because of say you right to sit in parliament or right to live in parliament. Now you free one.
American,
because more reasons why I know I'm letting it out. He said these are your reasons why you guys worked out. But is it the right channel? Is it the right thing to do? Fine, NPP for they make us a program. We are doing it to solve some of these issues. NPP now think of a civilian say a tier bonting. NPP and this Muslim your justification why it makes sense, all right. We are not saying say you guys are wrong, but no quite so wakasa meba.
Okay.
My member very maba.
Medase papa.
Ne kwan so I say I didn't know so more yes.
Medase papa, but I need to clear some 1 or 2 things here. My brother Nekai. In the first place, he made mention of 1992. Your boycott of parliament.
That is both parties, no, 17 times. That is both
parties.
Only
comment to make about 92. Okay. I want to make some correction. 92 young contest the cry. You see, you share a choir or more fast, so you issue a pig box. 92. So a transparent box here near the 2 abani binyo.
Okay.
Ya the other can be so mutum unim de former President Rawlings time. Nti onbeba na ya tu agum dada anso na mo the box no kra be den ABC wo. We called for reforms into our electoral processes. Nti ya hwe niam na ekọ ne ade nya na ya say 92 elections parliamentary ni po de ye contest. Nti the general elections ni po de ya contest kranti and yes say we walked out from parliament in 92. We didn't contest. NDC no kwa na contest are
elections say you didn't walk out from parliament.
Oh, okay. That was what I mean. Say now, okay. But say yes, now, okay. 92, the clarity is say young contest elections in the crowd. Over 2013, I know, okay, say and also yamba a year. I think say ubiane reasons into original so the idea. And this is for more reasons. I will come to that. But also 2013, they are young call the swearing in of the former President Mahama. I think it makes sense a lot. Please. Yako elections. Pay MPP for any document a yekutano. If you move here then akoso. Ya the assembly called down Supreme Court so on shenu ndi assembly man. But I mean you obey side we be say ye see hine wo fie. Na unim say ahindie we de aduru mu so. I say wo na wudi. Na de akowo bi foforo. Na the assembly court na the assembly akwa himfie say yenhwe na yenka assembly man. Na nipa na wo se ye wi ade ni mu na ma no ye de ni isi so na wakotena bedwom afra kente akotena bedwom pounds so say ugini to meanwhile you are contesting ni presidency no say yamfamra kwan so na den edi no enti I think say say ho no po de it really makes sense a lot. Let's come to the reason why the NDC boycotted or walked out from parliament. You see, you
also have reasons why you think the NDC funding free parliament.
No, reasons na me can answer. Also reasons the two. First one, almost say failure to implement and short recommendations. That's Ayawa so and a cruel removal of the chairperson of the Electoral Commission and the 3 deputies. And the new voter register, the big mention of it, and a closure of some radio stations in the country, and a demolition of Raymond Archer's company, and a killing of some journalists in the country. One, offer failure to implement and short.
Banking side in the
no, man, this were the main reason why at the NDC they walking out from parliament. But I'm coming to prove to you, say some of these things in NDC Ninja so be and just to show say they are in the country are part of like almost trauma teacher for and say almost who ye BB because social reasons here every 2 dry to me Ninja so be any take the failure to implement a short committee report. Woman yina yensu ade ya call into by elections bebre e wo man Ghana. I don't think say you tell me say Ayawa so by elections is the first by elections Ayako no man Ghana. Yako Talensi by elections. Western region has Yako Amenfi West by elections. Yako Etiwa by elections. Yako Chireponi by elections. Look at it to trust someone a course so in all these by elections. Or are we saying say Ayawa so by election kwane to trust me the a course one. But out of these by elections a course so emu die na president bitimi nya akukudro say yes setting up commission to investigate into why these things happen and for the first time in the history of this country and na yakọ by elections a president ote so is SMS na na danko Akufo-Addo say die si ye ni ntwa ye nti yempa nkrofo no mo hwehwe saa asem NDC for ebebo omukro omo factor into die nti ye na ebebo omukro ya hwu some die ekosi ye. But I want to educate the man.
Sorry, NDC from Obunkro.
Some people from the NDC, some judge was
a victim. He came there like the party.
No problem. So who were people who were affected, and as those who participated in the by-election, some were given the chance to go and Mama yen just education, and I think say uti now kwa catch o minority for na be bo omo. Omo say Akufo-Addo implementing the recommendations of a short committee report. Ye the commission at the report babontin a embrane kire say the president needs to issue a white paper. White paper ni omu two. White paper na president never babontin. It is either to accept all the recommendations made by the commission, or so Obaka say recommendations are commission in the babontin nyina no onjin two. And I say ebi so ho no ma oyeden oje two. Anything so obafa this ha a free young cramo called Brazil. Ekodi o man Ghana si ko bi o ko kire ba bi a free young cra ye ton mole ne ye kan say body any ade o Brazil krapo sika o mu didi any ade ye set commission. And it's a recommendation John Dramani Mahama am fan adwuma. But so John Dramani Mahama e free young what
were some of the recommendations? Those people what you don't know.
Mi jaw ma o kasa o jwa ma me kasa o betas ma me kasa. Enti recommendations are here the buy and president and white paper na buy no. Or disagree with some of the recommendations, which Embrama no ho kwan say otimi yes ade no. Say yes anka NDC minority in parliament. I know you have lawyers. Anka ba say makọ court. And I agree with some recommendations. Internal asem ni podi ya kan wi enti say ne o de bemu say asem we see last year. Ayaka wan asem awie 2019 president be the state of the nation constitution no constitutional mandate to president no call parliament. From Saturday now, and someone can use that law against the president for the president to be impeached because we book constitution. So, and the idea is last year, I can't once a maybe now the 2020 say Akufo-Addo I implemented a short committee reporting who did so at the year basis and the working out from parliament. It doesn't make sense to me. Second one is the removal of Charlotte Osei. Akufo-Addo or any president be any Ghana Hanwa or one who quite so betime an electoral commission easy and answer the auditor general and answer the chief justice Eddie. We have processes as to how what you need to do is say you petition the president. Say electoral commission please. Electoral commission. You didn't give this explanation in a dynamic church because we are learning. Ghanaian will make that petition to the president. What the president will do, I did say petition now they are no over forwarded to the chief justice. Now chief justice asset it in informal manner on my issue. Akufo-Addo ni who to me, and even what your reasons are electoral commission for ye jina so ye di media. And ye me opare amiti and I make can say Charlotte say I see. The three commissioners they were rather leveling allegations upon themselves. Where say we are wrongful, where say we are incompetent, where say we say first. Now, this is my Joy Online. I printed this document from my Joy Online. Okay. These are some of the reasons. Charlotte Osei the deputies. Eka. This is a question you studio. I'm saying you Ideas TV. Now, I say we are incompetent. We say we first. We say we first. Look at one example. Charlotte Osei made in a response. Where Major Online, this was published in 22nd July 2017. As Charlotte Osei, in his response to a petition brought against her by some EC workers, accused her deputy in charge of finance and administration of signing contracts worth more than $40 million without authorization. This is Charlotte Osei. Yafre say omomba ka omonsem say die obi say person yenyimu adi. So these are some of the allegations I hear the Thomas. So what are the response I also Charlotte Osei is saying say the deputy in charge of finance of administration signed a contract worth $40 million cedis without any authorization. Oko further, some allegations are Charlotte Osei make against their deputy. She also said deputy commissioner in charge of operations Ahmed Sule bagged some 6 million Ghana cedis from political parties without the knowledge of the finance department of the commission. He said to have used the primaries money as private commercial projects. So Charlotte Osei is saying Ahmed Sule Krapo conducted primaries before political parties. Sika onya and one report to a can say at the commission. And sadly when you know financial breaches. Because you can't be an electoral commissioner or a deputy. Now embra ye dey manage sikasem ubebuso enti Charlotte say ukoma bi kura po e kan be ka tro say ye kan say ne Charlotte say is even saying say the 2 deputies are incompetent. So these are allegations are the 3 deputies Charlotte a level against themselves. So how do you bring this to Akufo-Addo and the NPP? Me na make can say finance director of the director in charge of finance and administration. What first can be say akwa. Even though Charlotte say who is making these claims. Even though Charlotte say who is saying Ahmed Sule for 6 million be the Shenibotoma. What fan by electoral commission? Let's address the issue like that. Over the voter register, one, electoral commission for the reasons in tier, because the voter register is also part of the reasons minority and the boy working out from parliament. See, electoral commission for stating reasons in tier, you hear voters register. But the NDC have made up their mind, say the electoral commission back be an one, what about financial, he say, nibo bedding. Electoral commission about boncha beka say new voter register be eno mo crop on ye be sevusika mo sound so aka say yan refurbish the old machines ni enfan ye but electoral commission a check nyam madam ke say obe ya mo me check ye ho ye nsuasu ade kakra this way I say financial analysis of old and new database of the electoral commission. This is a document from the electoral commission stating sika edako into the new voter register. NCA you use old voter register na eka yebebo. One, I believe sir you are taking note of this. You go and tell your minority in parliament if they don't want to read and learn. One, where you see proposed calls for refurbishment of database. If we are to use the old system, the old voter register, how much we are going to pay? And if we are to make a new voter register, how much we are going to? So, also, a proposed cost for refurbishment of database. Also, say you use old system now. The electoral commission is going to pay $15 million for refurbishment of our database, the electoral commission database, because to go into elections, you need to have a strong database. This is the electoral commission. In the old one, we are going to spend $15 million. Now, let's come to if we are to have a new voter register. The cost of database is going to cost the nation $6 million. So, how do you tell me that we should maintain the old voter register? The old voter register, we are going to spend $15 million for refurbishment of database alone. And the new one is costing $6 million. And NDC is making a point to say there is no need to say you have a new voter register. It goes on to say annual maintenance of cost of data center. Data center, we are saying everywhere they say you maintaining. The old one the electoral commission spend as much as $4 million annually for the maintenance of the database alone. The new one electoral commission, these are documents, facts from the electoral commission. The electoral commission is telling you that the new one the electoral commission is paying only $1 million for the maintenance of the database. So you see, I make a choice. The NDC have no basis. Because the reasons so they boycott and they working out from parliament, it doesn't make sense to me. The man see on reasons in India, mean to me and digesting the closure of some radio stations also becomes a basis for a so-called alternative party. Almost now catch them say the NCA is closing some radio stations and TV stations who the general so they are working out because we are infringing on you can say the right of these media people. And somewhere down say you may be a tax arameboa. You get license before I make a car. I say me get license. I will DVL arameboa. Say mini license can I drive as a driver? I can't. And these stations are over radio good. TV XYZ, even radios, those stations, even our first Speaker of Parliament, Joe Wise, the radio station said, I can't want you closing it down. Reasons somebody buy and say, license are, as I said, we now say we be a side, you know, and for 15 good years, the radio go alone. 50 years in here. Renew. Obi ebu na niya gusu because NDC was in power. And the TV stations or the please
that's from you.
Please
15 years let's say 15 years. NDC babemu. Listen.
No, let me finish my point. Please. If you allow me,
no. 15 years.
No problem.
No. And the people are listening and people are
please, you see, why it's your favorite. No, Kasana, I have to you have the time to come in.
He said 15 years. I just want to go to that you do strong argument.
Late President Atamos happens to Nina account.
Nina account. The reasons are you can't say
please. Would you allow me to wait 3 years? And look what I'm saying. Go first time you know if you can understand.
Fine. So now okay, and the question 50 years. 50 years. This is the. It's 50 years in a radio station like Radio Good. And their TV station, you can say, licenses, and under the leadership of His Excellency Nana Dankwa-Akufo-Addo Abayaba. No, see your family, you have a minority in Parliament saying, say, Yenja Monomu Yedumasa, oh, I guess I said, yeah, and then it's your mind Ghana. There is no police in Ijinakwa and Nami no Kasi. I said driver be because of Kuta licenses. And you expect to say, Yenja Obi, now on be any TV stations, on be any radio station, oje commercials. Memontiana. And you know, and this Yabasramo, Mama or mining can enjoy this sometimes unnecessary political aid to score political point because the point is see our TV stations be organized. Your radio stations be organized. You're closing in. Have you asked yourself, say, those stations are close to you? Stations are. It means they pay their taxes, they've renewed their licenses and all those things. And you know, Okofan say you close it down, and it is not a Yinkwa Fox FM no Katakrade. I'm not closing it down. Does it belong to NDC or MPP? Fox FM does it belong to NDC or MPP? So yan sure semno yan kan yenti wo hwe enyama NDC for estate ni ade nyina and even the killing of a journalist. The journalist say ya eku a journalist binti mu the journalist at the work out from Parliament. And this time the MP no we and over at the time.
Which MP?
Ebuakwa North. Debi Dankwa Emre Ben.
Should I?
No. Let me help you. No, please. No, I'm not. No, please.
Give me some.
I'm not asking you a question. I'm talking to the host. Please, Inji me pacho. Yenyina yema imba hasi. MP no me pacho me manu for manu say MP no wi aben. Enti yaba be ya ni say ne obi wu a chinchina chin as say president no oteso no.
Ekoho.
No, resurrecting the park and that's him finding the park here.
Please, impatch me about. Say Obi recently was it? I think last year. And a NPP was it John NPP secretary be who ye one big man be for the NPP.
Yeah, the treasurer.
It's the right of the president as a constituency executives to fish out what happened.
Yes, and that this investigation, this Medu Swallows and one investigations are going on. So what else? No, please. What else do you want the president? The president. Yes, it's also there. Why do you know that doesn't remember the day the person was murdered? So why do you think the attorney general doesn't remember?
Be a free president in one.
No, the president issued a statement. The president issued a statement. President no crap over him say. Ebe kosra ebusuafo.
Maybe down for 2 days we arrested
for you can say journalists here we they've made some arrests.
When the president ba kosra ebusuafo the president ba kosra.
Whom have you president sent the minister of gender. The minister of gender. No, so every the president should go there.
No, I mean that's why he has his body.
No, that is why the president sent the minister of gender. Obi Osho and Mani JB Danko 2 days we arrested Senti and Friday. Some of you are charging Omwana. If you come out to say, oh please, you are making no, it's not the word a long time. It's never allow me to speak. You have your bite on JB Danko. I don't like time programs. We Kasana. No, but you let me learn. When I say you also
2 days time or 3 days. Listen, if you no. I'm call a police station. I'm going to send me pen for being a smart dog. Listen, please. Let me
address this issue to the police service who have been mandated.
How many times did you go? How many? I didn't you went to radio restaurant with a gun to go and shoot Mugabe.
It's a lie.
Who told you? He said that to
easy. Stop this propaganda. It will help you.
What is propaganda?
You've moved
what is propaganda? There were footages on the point because you got
this is a mere
because you can do whatever you like. Article 296. You are not making the program. No. Article 296. The president cannot exercise the power capriciously.
No. We want to serve Ghanaians say.
Somebody they go Jenny down good. I am the pa. Now I wanted you to mention that name. We made the arrest of the corporate, no. They then I call Mabaso, Nibona Bodi say when MPP phone about the pass only say why you not going to allow most of what madam is the boy is mentally sound. Must know. Now you hate me. You people wanted to kill him so that leave the NDC for you.
Jumedie no jumedie bi atem me ka say ade bebe bia ne pese ye nkyere Ghanaians say dey na mpinfo ye mpuduma jumedie no
madam o ka sem bi metro bibi me ba
no ka say
ye share this area now no ye hu dia mungina so amudi free parliament before the zone no and this NPP for so chere say the jinaso mugina the free one dey enye jinaso ye jinaso emudu until the end the face but we are in election year. This issue no came on because we are in election year. And to are we at a safer hands? Are we at a safer place? Say election year ba betu and konkofa when to be an nyamra sembi na de e ma bebo na e say election na ye ba be na me started for I'm there. Yeah, cause I need brief because me producers me actually me say
okay. I'm there. Me better cause no can be there. Me short in it. Me pay no. You can't tell me what to say.
It's a question for you to answer.
I will come there, but let me also respond to my kind. My job to be down one day.
But me more 2 minutes too. No, my own 2 minutes. Because I don't.
You are not being fair to me.
Oh,
but you have spoken for more than you have spoken for more than 15 minutes. Hold on. You have spoken for more than 15 minutes, and I'm speaking for only 2 minutes. How? How's that a cheat?
Because
what the cat
okay.
You on some of these issues. So
say on Bagana Adia, Ujin painful wonder. Titi on my pain. Until I say, oh yeah, Commander in Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. In to be the president, I don't go to be on a day na on my orders or Yuma. Until no more Oslo, or the radio stations through Joe Anachi. Same, I want no more orders, radio station. Radio station be not say, or butch any bill. Like I don't know, call you, over friend, not my pile would be no year. And no KFM to them after that and all the car. We publish a list of one was what the corner. Okay, FM was one of them. A coming to say, I host a one money show. No, as at that time, but nobody closed under down because no video a pro and people another radio. Hold on. Don't do that. Don't do that. No, Muslim can just Joe Wise. You understand the Joe Wise new days and come on.
But Joe Wise is an MPP person. Intimate Charles on the radio station. I'm not saying me dream a belong to A or B.
They belong to a few Kuma. Western Radio for
my Canada. As when you were Ghana, Ojinem paying do. Yako by election. Let's say I'm paying to my own ban. Let's say Baba. Listen there, Ghana, you will be voting up. But you will be going to a ban. You can number 2. Well, I've been got to Kekena to them and better not can I just in there. Go to a book. I can say, get paid man will be the papa. The go paid man will be the papa and don't go to a banner or go to some be paying my and that's a woman. Manana ceremony and number when they do I didn't manana there. When I buy a bazaar, not to a bar. In that when you were buying them paying, oh man, full assurance there. You know, the call. Talk is cheap. The big over there, 2020 election, obey the most peaceful case ever.
But for Momo, are you assuring us we will have it?
Of course.
Okay.
yetina hade sisi a.
Yes. Most important I want to hear from
okay. O said there in one the me vigilante for no so go na so national security atare na o kete no na was azugu massive no. O said dem go for na go watch na so me yemu there. Wa me yen GDP there dem go for no. Dem do mo be biem. Ende no train go for as tware e bo video. Na go for no we train one video no ba bonti no. Have some of them here. Master don't laugh. I'm making no call. You know just the maybe you want to satisfy your masters being tina and better can call me.
No, this is about satisfying masters. This is about
no, if you laugh or not, me joke be. And you know, this is why you are training people or they people and MC Funadi now train me what you try another what you try nama or the person or scare ordinary people. Nipo no to abanala within 4 years na onye djuma he ne school aba basa akomda wa basa and health insurance na di na we gumanda was basa so akọ jama cash and carry ma what problem me bande Roman suffer back kede only me can tell me chado I just me can be as man no obi ordinary person Roman actually enquire paper nura young boy as they will be what any people want to 20
work out from the parliament, you know, it's not going to cause any problem. There shouldn't be any fear, any panic. No, any normal thing because you are working on it to make sure that this act it doesn't continue.
It will be the first and it will be the last, I believe.
It has to be. There has to be end to it. There has to be end to it. And you know, more beer and bohu. Oma working out the omo justifications about and people also the almost there but they are assuring us say we'll have a peace and oma penny can all the time so we have and you know me pacho momo so ma fremu no you see amona mote so and end it for ababe and ababe ababe topic momo ma fremu no so muso ma working out be and muso assurance when muso mo dey man say act we no enko because when am certain government assurance when I'm the myself act when
the way I mess I did it me brother me sure say me so make us over mama kwan am so I can assure Ghanaians Ghana for mutie Efia constituency Western region Ghana baby say under the watch of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo yen hwe e mo man oyeni anase basabasa ye ensimu da abaya ya ba programs and policies are yet the programs e too hiase. Some of them are please. Oh, why? Yeah, the programs and policies are e too hiase. Eba, the engine you ever say my Ghana jabe tom. Na kwala and them no kasi 1.2 million and kwala omo enjoy free secondary school. Omo enjoy under His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. You be sure mo jato my Ghana. The engine na MPP abaya yet so. Nurses and teachers training allowance a year restore. The engineer better amo yeni ato my Ghana mas anyama we nyina den ashiro my Ghana. And then me know cause one ambulance per constituency ye di aba. Yen hwe come I wasn't expecting this. No. Here 307 ambulance. Now you want this authority one can listen. The buses 500 so what me coming there you organize the fanfare no let's respect it no you are a gentleman it's an obligation Adibo, why it is your responsibility. What do you like? No, please. And but what is the meaning of this? You want us to spoil the program? No, what you are doing is uncalled for. Don't do that. No, but please advise my brother here.
I'm sorry.
Yet he has a Obia ton any party. What can we hear you? Mister, you the ambulances about every constituency.
It is no assurance when I'm
assurance amiguso American say. Oh, stress I'm puntu Juma and then me know. Kasi efia 4 phone booth efa efia Kwesiminti Municipal Assembly eko Cindy's Cottage asphaltic road ayeye yeah it was already asphalted it was already asphalted please I won't allow you to lie no if you call we nyere nu don't do that I respect you don't do that when you are talking about they've been asphalted long time ago but let tell me they asphalt good for the first time when you not Madam host no let's settle this issue if a 4 phone booth so should I allow you to Akalima oh no please you see you are not respecting the public I'm even surprised when John or yes, I do. No, you are not respecting the public. What are you doing?
So I should allow you to lie.
Now, when someone kind of just saying, that is democracy. What's your business? Democracy means you can lie. No, let's settle this issue. No, is it true?
After NDC for after NPP for Musuma,
you sit there 30 seconds to tell you
and panic the upcoming election. That is what we are asking.
I know that we are making. No, let's settle this.
Let's give the assurance.
This is the assurance I make, but you don't tell me the angle that I should go me patch up. Me for mushe program. We are sending data. Oh, kasa get me so me kasa.
Exactly.
You're not helping the issue. No, stop it. No, me kasa will bem. Also kasa me bem.
But you all know that place has been asphalted way back. That is what you have to admit.
Me patch up.
Admit that we can.
Bien na yet second takra yet efia constituency ase. From Cindy's cottage. Akwa efia kuma efia Kwasimiti Municipal Assembly to 4 phone booth. Ekwan no ya ne foforo anase ya ne foforo from my piece sky to in tank of bypass. Ya ne foforo anase ya ne foforo. Ya ne foforo accept input my piece then accepted. Ya ni market.
I am giving you standing ovation.
Sisi and the muye, the penifo muye.
No, Scatcher said oh no, but it is an I'll take it as a on me. Metia what tell dear Mwakasem. Anything make kasa na won jam me na so men come there. Oh, you can even ask for 30 seconds to rebut some of the
because them na swap am.
No, it was a make kasa na ubem. It is not fair. Don't do that. Etino medemanu esino. Assurance usho mpuntu djuma ye ni ade we nyina. Yenhwe man Ghana and Dani Butu. But the only unfortunate statement be a matter from a former president. I mean who says be a money on kasa. The comment of former president Mahama Meki say or share in Yama Electoral Commission for a year. So Omani Dani Butu a voter register all year, you know. Say Omani Dani Butu yenko bisano. Since when? And a new voter register. Do you have the audio? And that's a yementi voter register. And basa for the MPP there. Ghana for Monda programs and policies are there, but yeah, share mind Ghana and Danny Butu because MPP ya Jembredi ya Democrat and Intina ya kwa about 2012 you lose year ya de down court support
yeah that's what I'm reading if I'm in a court be for nyamisha mbebre say mapinu sa mamisa mami read the comment fast on Facebook na yeah wrap up and found for and me pacho
is the way I mean him can dey program here the way I na
DJ Squash GH say where is the station where fie kuma ya ye die mu a ya ye die mu fie kuma VIP oba wo no ma obi say ideas TV eho na ye share ntin ha won kwa pacho online TV tie the data na ye di eye ejuma Ebo Crunchy, you are watching us. Thank you. Patrick Enimelatha. Me I make us me boss about no so share Gabriel Frimpong. Me I me producer about ko pe. No so share. Appear Samuel also yeah that's also share. Baron Kofi Nyako or say the NDC guy they rush too much. Me pacho kumona ye die. Nti so rush. Why is it so rush?
Allah mama nkasa.
Just NPP Efia constituency so no mo share nyame sure munyi na say so mo share is it what Gregory Otu? Please, your name no.
No.
Oh, thank you. Also, monetization of our politics started with the NDC. You yate. Mpacho. Me ka chance anko unjustify some organ so. Em say, well, when to me so an can't be share but I'm sure so Western region has say that is how we share. Evans Kwame, I'm a sinu or no operate fair. I don't know what he's trying to say, but all the same, thanks for watching with us. Okay. Yeah, Marvin, Kwesimi to say more fire opare. And say more fire. And the fire made me studio has a mister. Nana Eju, I say I'm loving the show. Thank you very much for loving the show. I say Nana Eju, I say okay, I say fire this morning show must be every morning. You yate. I
say this program must be as Uncle Pesan can and
yes. Martina Jato has said Maxwell Tabsoba or say NPP all the way you yate. And I saw one actually Maxwell Nathan say loose talk NDC man, you are not making any fact you yate. When I will make you fat yate. Thanks for watching with us. Papa Kwame Cranton or say boy do keep it up. Thank you very much, Papa. Olivia De Kitete or say Maxwell Tapsoba at all. What is this? Please, no mama comment na ye clear and ye be ya. Ye bet to me, ye reading ye na ubia so ati asie ye. And an age last I say NDC is hungry, don't mind them. I miss Dumso. So I sent it. But Dumso no man penny back of the I say Dumso we have overcome Dumso. Dumso is over. So if we're still expensive Dumso, now I say he said
no, you say what message Dumso on your uncle
one missing Dumso. Are you sure?
How many
Okay, some also know.
How many
Obi comment also what message all the person
on my base overcome Dumso.
You have to comment respond to every comment.
Yeah, Master I say NDC man.
But what have I said?
Ebacho, I say NDC man. NDC man is not respecting the public. The truth must be told. Yo, yate. And these are the comments from my lovely viewers on Facebook. Being it NDC, NPP, and if they didn't, we are all ensuring say the common goal, is achieved on this platform. Yeah, bad. Yeah, Ghana Punto NIH, and then you person on my assurance say their NDC for workout on we last Thursday, and NPP for them so on my man even the swearing in of the president, the whole president for the whole nation. Much to me sorry call. And almost the state of the nation was almost sorry call. But in all of it, they are assuring us, both parties are assuring us, we'll have a fair, peaceful and fair election coming December 7th. A very peaceful election. And in 24, they are a busion moshe no or modi edia banono. So I think it's being it good or bad, no, ya dear.
Ya said yes, say you share ama on my Ghana Sundria, ye kutemu and they because I enjoy it. Because you knew my
but there can never be if there is no justice.
Oh please.
No, hold on, no. If there is no justice, there can be
Philip Kwesi no ewo NDC aso ye kan say yen chotro ensem ayeko NDC aso ye honom na odi mu akote ma fafia constituency ye ho na ono no wo she ono abo berema ba opare ono so ye regional communication. He's a member of the regional communication team ewo and Western region has the new patriotic party omo empenifo mi enu we na napani omu si nkonwa ewo fi ase ne omu twetwe nkomo mi a metine mu a me de dwumedi emu chiame no mesumidi edna na amabo di wanyakopo nya adoma wo china in another episode epesan ede abrewo enim se na ya fa wo mra ni be fa che o data na ko fa che me wate fa che me ye be ye ho adwuma se na be ye time ye betumi amisa mi sho bibia se wo share me nyakopo nya adoma wo china epesan share MC anyamisho mu nyina obibia anyamisho epesan share ya kan